Chapter 1 Multiplication.
Skip counting. We skip numbers at regular intervals. Skip counting in twos. Let us observe the table given which shows the skip counting by 2. As we move ahead, we skip numbers, it forms a pattern. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21, 23, 25, 27, 29, 31, 33, 35, 37, 39, 41, 43, 45, 47, 49, 51, 53, 55, 57, 59, 61, 63, 65, 67, 69, 71, 73, 75, 77, 79, 81, 83, 85, 87, 89, 91, 93, 95, 97, 99. Therefore, starting with the number 2, as we skip count by 2, the next number is 4, 6, 8, and so on. This is called skip counting in twos because we skip on to the second number at regular intervals. Skip counting in fives. Starting with the number 5, as we skip count by 5, the next number is 10, 15, 20, and so on. This is called skip counting in fives because we skip on the fifth number at regular intervals. Skip counting in tens. Skip counting in tens. Start with the number 10. As we skip count by 10, the next number is 20, 30, 40, and so on. This is called skip counting in tens because we skip on to the 10th number at regular intervals.
Repeated addition. When we add the same number again and again, the process is called repeated addition. For example, 3 roses plus 3 roses plus 3 roses is equal to 9 roses. Here, we are adding the number 3 times. So, 3 times 3 is equal to 9. Multiplication as repeated addition. Repeated addition of the same number can be done by multiplication. For example, 2 brushes plus 2 brushes plus 2 brushes plus 2 brushes is equal to 8 brushes. It can be written as 4 times 2 is equal to 8 or 4 into 2 is equal to 8. Here, the sign X indicates multiplication.
2 is the multiplicand, 4 is the multiplier, and 8 is the product.
Multiplication table of 2. 1 times 2 is equal to 2. 2 times 2 is equal to 4. 3 times 2 is equal to 6. 4 times 2 is equal to 8. 5 times 2 is equal to 10. 6 times 2 is equal to 12. 7 times 2 is equal to 14. 8 times 2 is equal to 16. 9 times 2 is equal to 18. 10 times 2 is equal to 20. Multiplication table of 3. 1 times 3 is equal to 3. 2 times 3 is equal to 6. 3 times 3 is equal to 9. 4 times 3 is equal to 12. 5 times 3 is equal to 15. 6 times 3 is equal to 18. 7 times 3 is equal to 21. 8 times 3 is equal to 24. 9 times 3 is equal to 27. 10 times 3 is equal to 30. Multiplication table of 5. 1 times 5 is equal to 5. 2 times 5 is equal to 10. 3 times 5 is equal to 15. 4 times 5 is equal to 20. 5 times 5 is equal to 25. 6 times 5 is equal to 30. 7 times 5 is equal to 35. 8 times 5 is equal to 40. 9 times 5 is equal to 45. 10 times 5 is equal to 50. Multiplication table of 10. 1 times 10 is equal to 10. 2 times 10 is equal to 20. 3 times 10 is equal to 30. 4 times 10 is equal to 40. 5 times 10 is equal to 50. 6 times 10 is equal to 60. 7 times 10 is equal to 70. 8 times 10 is equal to 80. 9 times 10 is equal to 90. 10 times 10 is equal to 100.
Multiplication facts. Multiplying by 1. When we multiply a number by 1, we get the result as the number itself. 3 multiplied by 1 is equal to 3. 4 multiplied by 1 is equal to 4. 5 multiplied by 1 is equal to 5. 10 multiplied by 1 is equal to 10. Multiplying by 0. When we multiply a number by 0, we get the result as 0. 2 multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. 6 multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. 4 multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. 9 multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. Order in multiplication. When we change the order of the numbers to be multiplied, the answer remains the same. 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to 3 multiplied by 2. Or 6 is equal to 6. 5 multiplied by 2 is equal to 2 multiplied by 5. Or 10 is equal to 10.